Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we are doing a very quick regimen for teeth brightening. The best way and the quickest way to brighten your teeth that is very versatile. You can pick up hydrogen peroxide any part of the world where you are, and we will be talking about 3% hydrogen peroxide. It's very easy. This contains some bleaching agent. You don't need to go to the dentist to bleach your teeth, to brighten your teeth so you can have that beautiful smile. It's a 3% hydrogen peroxide. Be careful about your outfit. If it gets on your outfit, it is going to bleach your outfit. So all you need here, 1 tablespoon. And I love using the single brush. If you don't have this single floss brush, you can use a dental floss because you want to get between your teeth to get all those plaques out. So you want to dip this into the peroxide, and then you're gonna go in between your teeth. This is the first step. After that, then you're gonna use your toothbrush and you put it right inside the hydrogen peroxide, and then you're gonna brush your teeth.
Then you're gonna brush up and down. Remember, it's up and down.
It also kills the germs inside your mouth, inside your teeth. It's awesome for toothpaste as well. Okay, so after brushing your teeth, this is the leftover. You want to mix the leftover with water, equal part of water, and then you want to have it in your mouth for as long as you can. Just hold it into your mouth. It's going to kill all the germs, and it's going to get all deep into all corners of your teeth. So let's go. So hold it as much as you can, and then if you are able to hold it for up to 5 minutes, that's awesome. That's good for you. Your teeth, can you see my teeth? Sparkling white. And remember to use this very often. The more you use it, the more your teeth will become brighter. If you feel a little bit of sensitivity on your teeth, then do it 2 or 3 times a week. It's an excellent germ killer. It's a bleach. It's a bleach that, so you can also use hydrogen peroxide to clean all the surfaces on your kitchen, in your house, to get rid of all the germs. And also you can soak your toothbrush in hydrogen peroxide to kill all the germs. You can also use hydrogen peroxide to clean your carpet. If you have a light carpet, like in a bright color, just put it in a spray bottle, dilute it with equal part of water, and spray that on your carpet. It is going to take all the dirt away. If you have stinky feet or athletic feet, put a little bit in the spray bottle and spray inside your shoes. It is going to take care of the odor on the athletic feet. So I will leave you guys here. Remember to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Whoops, my teeth is sparkling just like my nail polish. See you guys. Love you. Bye.